Welcome to a quick pro and cons review of the Apple iPhone 15 Renewed. The Apple iPhone 15 128 GB Unlocked Renewed combines premium design and performance at an affordable price, with some trade-offs. The iPhone 15 features a sleek design with a slim profile and vibrant 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. Despite being renewed, the A16 Bionic Chip ensures fast app loading, smooth multitasking, and minimal gaming lag. The dual 48MP camera excels in various lighting, with night mode and 4K video capabilities for stunning results. iOS 17 support provides a seamless interface, enhanced privacy, and future-proof software updates for the iPhone 15. Being unlocked offers carrier flexibility, allowing users to switch networks without being tied to one provider. Battery life is decent but not exceptional, with potential shortfalls during demanding activities like gaming or streaming. Renewed devices may have cosmetic blemishes or reduced battery health, impacting the experience. Check the condition carefully. An Amazon link to this item is included in the description. Help us out by clicking like and subscribe. Also leave a comment. Let us know what you think.